How to access device management on Crunchyroll. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you access device management on your Crunchyroll account. So let's get started. At first you'll have to open any browser on your system, and after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for crunchyroll.com, and from there you will be able to visit the official site of Crunchyroll, and from there you have to log in with your account. Alright, so after you logged in with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. So simply click on it. Okay, so from here, you'll have to go the option My Account. So simply click on My Account option. Alright, so now from this interface, you'll have to click on the device management option just at the left hand side of your screen. So simply click on the device management option. And now after you tap on that option, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here you can manage all of the devices connected to your Crunchyroll account. Like you can see on this interface, I have my 2 devices logged in with my Crunchyroll account. So to delete that, you'll have to just click on this deactive option. So you can also deactivate the devices from yours. So in this way you can also view the device management on your Crunchyroll account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.